Fuad here, back on Behind the Gloves with another news update, keeping you guys up to date with all things combat. Now obviously all of April events were cancelled and we were just waiting on what would happen in May, and it looks like the inevitable has happened. The British Boxing Board of Control have announced they've extended their suspension on all UK events due to the coronavirus pandemic until the end of May. They said they will explore all options available to find a way of lifting the suspension when conditions permit. That was a tweet from Michael Benson confirming that the British Board of Boxing Control had suspended all of the May events, and Matchroom then followed up as they have 3 shows in May, 2 being the big heavyweight fights that we were looking forward to as well. And this is what their statement reads: in line with the British Boxing Board of Control and government guidelines relating to COVID-19, Matchroom Boxing have postponed all events scheduled to be taking place in May, including Whyte vs Alexander Povetkin at Manchester Arena on May 2nd, Lee Selby vs George Kamboas Jr. at the Motorpoint Arena Cardiff on May 9th, and Alexander Usyk vs Derek Chisora at the O2 in London on May 23rd. Subject to the developing situation, Whyte's interim WBC heavyweight world title clash with Povetkin has been rescheduled to Saturday, July the 4th, while Selby's IBF lightweight world title final eliminator against Kamboas Jr. has been rescheduled to Saturday, July 11th. A new date for Usyk's blockbuster heavyweight showdown with Chisora is also being worked on, with tickets remaining valid for the rescheduled dates once announced and refunds available from your point of purchase. Of course, the main thing here is the health and safety of everyone involved comes first, so it was the right thing to do to suspend all these events until a safer date. It is really sad. Obviously, it looked like we were having, we were going to have the best 2 months of UK boxing in a long time in the UK. We had the Dubois Joyce card in April. We had quite a few good fights in April actually, and then in May obviously the 2 big heavyweight clashes and a good little card down in Cardiff as well. And it's a shame that we won't be having any of those for the next 2 months. And we don't even know anything about June yet. June could be cancelled for all we know. Everything that's been rescheduled so far seems like end of June or early July, so we'll have to wait and see on that. But that is the latest news right now. I hope everyone is safe at home. Make sure to stay at home, because that way you'll be doing your part. Stay safe guys, and we'll catch you guys soon.
Hey Fight fans, it's Michelle Joy Phelps. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you go ahead and do so by clicking the icon right here, and also hit the bell button so that you can get alerts every time we upload a new video.